G'day guys, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook, and today we're talking about what you do with your brand new camp oven when you brought it from either online at places like Snowy's or Tent World, or at your local camping store like VCF or Anaconda. But now what? Well, it's actually ready to go straight out of the box. But I do recommend you give it a good scrub in some soapy water. Once you've given it a scrub, you want to rinse it off really thorough and let it dry in the sun. Once it's totally dry, give it a nice thin coat of oil and spread it around with some quality paper towel. It's ready to use straight out of the box like that. However, I recommend doing the next step by adding your own layers of seasoning on top of the oven. To do that, you need to put your lightly coated camp oven in a hooded barbecue, a pizza oven, or even on the campfire, and heat it up past the oil smoking point. And then this will create the natural non-stick coating that you're looking for. Do this as many times as you like. I usually do this about 3. Now guys, don't overthink it. Just get out there and use your camp oven and cook up a feast for yourself, your family, your mates, and make sure you have a cold one. Now, if you're looking for recipes, check out my website, thecampovencook.com.au. I've got over 50 free recipes, as well as other how-to documents on how to get out there and use your camp oven. Happy cooking, guys. I'm Mick, the Camp Oven Cook. I am beeping this up again. Beeping. G'day, I'm Mick, Camp Oven Cook, and I've already said that to you many times, and I still can't get it right.